Hello students, today we will start your chapter number 18, which is concept of angles. How many types of angle, what is ray, what is angle, what is vertex, what are arm. We discuss each and everything about angle in this chapter. So let's start. Hello students, today we will start your chapter number 18, which is concept of angles. How many types of angle, what is ray, what is angle, what is vertex, what are arm. We discuss each and everything about angle in this chapter. So let's start. So this is an angle. What is basically an angle? Two rays having a common endpoint form an angle. Two rays having a common endpoint. These are two rays. OA is the first ray and OB is the second ray. The two rays forming an angle. जो ray form करती हैं, the ray which forms are known as arms. OA is arms. OB are arms. Two rays having a common endpoint. Now OA and OB have a common, A and B line have a common endpoint, which is O. This is the common endpoint. What we call the common endpoint is called the vertex of the angle. We call it vertex of an angle. O point is the vertex of an angle, which is AOB. These are some points. Like if I ask you what is the vertex here? Vertex is O, because two rays join at the point O. Now tell me the ray or arms. OA and OB are ray or arms. And angle is angle AOB or angle BOA. Angle can be represented by this symbol. Angle can be represented by this. Now let's solve some questions of exercise number 30. In this question you have to find which one is the angle, which one represent an angle or which one does not. Look at the figure number 1, figure number A part. These two lines join together and at a common point. These two lines join together at a common point which forms an angle. It means A point, so A figure represents an angle. In the same way, look at the B. This line is and this line, it is not joined, it is not connected with each other. It does not form an angle because it is not connected. Look in the C picture, C figure. This ray and this ray, it is connected here. This one is connected here. Two rays joined together by a common endpoint. This is the common endpoint of both the rays. It means this also forms an angle. And now the D1, this ray is different and this ray they do not interconnect with each other. They do not have a common endpoint. So it means it does not represent an angle. A and C represents an angle. B and D does not represent an angle. Now let's solve some question. We have a figure A and B. Look in the figure number A. Here's an angle which is PRQ. Now you have to find in this figure which one is the angle. We know what is the angle when it is a point where two rays or 2 rays are joined together. Common point where two rays are joined together. So we have an angle PRQ. In the same way, we also have an angle in this picture which is D, C and E, because two rays are joined together at a common point. So this forms an angle DCE. Now you have to find which one is the vertex. Vertex is the common point where two rays or two lines join together. So this is the point where two rays join together. This point is known as vertex. Vertex is noted by V. It is clearly written as vertex. And what is the vertex in angle PRQ? R is the vertex of angle PRQ. In the similar way, C is the vertex of angle DC and E. C is the vertex of angle DC and E. Now you have to find the arms. Rays are generally the arms. So there are two rays, which is first one is RP and second one is RQ. There are two arms, RP and RQ. In this figure also there are two arms. First one is CD and second one is CE. in this question you have to find how many angles are there in this figure. So let's find out how many angles are there in this figure. You are given so many rays A, which is marked like OA, BA, CA. Now we have to find the angle. How many angles are there? There are 3 angles in this figure. Find out the angles. First one is angle OAB. Angle OA and B. First angle is angle OAB. Another angle is angle BA and C. Because look at the rays. These are joined together like this. This also forms an angle. Means second angle is angle BA and C. Now the third one, 3 angles are there. First one is angle OAB, second is angle BAC, and the third one is angle OAC. Angle OA and C. This also forms an angle. First is OAB, which forms this angle. Second is BAC, which forms this angle, and the third one is OAC, which forms this angle together. Now here's one question for you. We have to solve one another question in which we have to find, in this figure there are some points. We have to find which point is on the angle, which is in the interior of the angle, and which is in the exterior of the angle. Here is the angle POQ. Now you have to name the points, which points is on the angle. Which point is on the angle? On the angle, now look at the picture. On this line there is a point P. On this line there is a point M also. On this line there is point O. There is point D on the line, and there is point Q on the line. On the angle, it means there are 5 points, which is M, P, M, O, D, Q. There are 5 points on the angle. Second, in the interior of the angle. Now in the interior of the angle means in the inside of an angle. If there is an angle POQ, it means inside. If this angle closes here, it means inside of an angle. Now find out the points which is inside in the angle. X, Y, A and N. These are 4 points which is inside of the interior of the angle. X, Y, A and N. Now third, in the exterior of the angle. Name the points which is outside the angle, which is on the outside of the angle. That is Z. Z is on the outside because we closed it here. Now look, we closed it here. Z is here outside the angle. Also point T. T is also outside the angle. So we have solved this also. Here we have completed our exercise number 70.